Hi. I'm watching Miss Grand International Beauty Pageant. Yes, in YouTube. But while I'm watching that, unboxing. It's a goodbye nightmare series from the Mitutu. Hulala. At Morrison's. So let's do it. Talaga. Ganun talaga. Ooh. Come on, Miss Philippines. You're in the top 10. Oh no, top 18. Both contestants is from the Philippines. Let's see. Oh. What is it? What is it? Ooh, a bunny. Wow. It's a purple one. Yay. It's so cute. Let's see. Oh, sweet. Sweet Caroline. There you go. Sweetness. Sweetness. Second one. Second. Come on, Philippines. Alright, ready? Brown. And hope. So cute. Mitutu. Hulala. Kitten. Let's see the card. Hope. So cute. Again, they're all cute this. So happy. Is not a dupe. I'm loving this. So there is. Oh, yeah. Hope and sweetness. Guwapo sa purple, oh. Oh, they're cute, aren't they? But anyway, here we are, guys. Here we are. Lovely jubbly. Sandali. There you go. That's it. Lovely. Good night.